United Airlines flight strikes drone mid-landing over San Diego. United Flight 1980, a Boeing 737 traveling from San Francisco, reported a mid-air encounter with a suspected drone on the morning of Wednesday, April 29, 2026. The incident occurred at approximately 8:28 a.m. while the aircraft was at 3,000 feet, an altitude significantly higher than legal limits for civilian unmanned aircraft. The crew alerted air traffic control to a potential strike while on the base leg of their approach into San Diego. This critical phase of flight, occurring just minutes before touchdown, is particularly sensitive to disruptions. Despite the pilot's report of a collision, the aircraft was able to continue its descent and land safely. When asked for a description, the pilot could not identify engines or a specific model, but described the object as small, red, and shiny. Minutes before the reported impact, the crew had spotted the object roughly 1,000 feet below their position and queried controllers about authorized drone activity in the area. None had been cleared. The FAA and United Airlines have confirmed the sighting, though the physical reality of a collision remains a subject of investigation. While the crew believed they struck the object, United noted that a physical strike has not yet been officially validated by technical evidence. Following the encounter on April 29th, the flight landed at San Diego International at 8:45 a.m. All 48 passengers and 6 crew members deplaned normally, and the plane taxied to its gate without assistance. A specialized safety inspection of the aircraft's fuselage, wings, and engines performed later that day revealed no damage or physical evidence of an impact. The Boeing 737 was cleared for service shortly after, completing a flight to Houston that same afternoon. The FAA is currently investigating the incident to identify the unauthorized operator. Notably, no other pilots in the busy San Diego corridor reported seeing the red, shiny object during the time of the incident. Flying a drone at 3,000 feet in an airport exclusion zone is a major federal offense. Under standard rules, drones are capped at 400 feet. In 2026, the FAA increased penalties for such high-risk violations. Under the Safer Skies Act, operators face equipment seizure, criminal prosecution, and civil fines of up to $75,000.